Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the out-of-range monitor error in Windows 11. Don't worry if you have zero knowledge about Windows 11, this tutorial is very simple and beginner-friendly. First, let me quickly explain what this problem means. The out-of-range error usually appears when your computer sends a display resolution or refresh rate that your monitor cannot support. Because of that, the screen goes black or shows an out-of-range message. Now, let's fix it step by step. First, turn off your computer completely. Now, turn it back on, and as soon as it starts booting, press the power button again to force shut it down. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. After that, Windows will automatically open something called Automatic Repair. Once you see the Automatic Repair screen, click on Advanced Options. Then, click on Troubleshoot. After that, select Advanced Options again. Now, click on Startup Settings. Here, click on Restart. When your computer restarts, you'll see a list of options. Press number 4 on your keyboard to select Safe Mode, or number 5 for Safe Mode with networking. Once Windows starts in Safe Mode, the screen should appear normally. Now, right-click anywhere on the desktop and click on Display Settings. Scroll down and find Display Resolution. Click on the drop-down and select a lower resolution, usually the one marked as recommended. Next, scroll a little more and click on Advanced Display. Here, look for Refresh Rate. Set it to 60 Hz, which works with most monitors. After doing this, close all settings. Now, restart your computer normally. Your monitor should no longer show the out-of-range error. If you are still facing the issue, make sure your monitor cable, HDMI, VGA, or DisplayPort is properly connected. You can also try connecting your computer to another monitor or TV and repeat the same steps. And that's it. This is how you fix the out-of-range monitor error in Windows 11, even if you are a complete beginner. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.